After our last adventure onto the summit of the Kowloon Peak, me and David decided to take it up a notch. This time, our destination will be the top of the Ma On Shan, starting from the Ma On Shan village all the way along the Macleay Hills Trail Section 4, capturing both the sunset and the sunrise of the next day. And after a tedious ride all the way from North Point, we finally met up and started our journey. About 30 minutes in, me and David realized that we actually don't have any extra battery for the whole trip. And if both of our phone dies, then any drone shots from the next day will be out of discussion. But luckily, we did find someone with a charger and is kind enough to lend it to us for some extra juice.
如果佢叉到夠快就好。OK， 我唔喐佢，我哋企陣先。
It wasn't long until we reached our first photo spot, capturing the sunset on a ridge with Ma On Shan, Pyramid Hill, and Thai Cove all within our frame. It was absolutely amazing.
friend 有電話嘛，係啊 OK， 好慳翻啲電啊，係啊食 lunch 啊，你同埋陳子琪同爹哋講啦。
Heading into the blue hour, we set off towards our camp spot. And at first, I really expected it to be very, very hot because it's summer in Hong Kong. But somehow it turned out to be quite windy and just perfect for camping.
Because 唔環保啊！
嚇！即係食杯麵唔環保定咩啊？上山食杯麵有咩問題？
杯麵咯。
你話橙色
不過其實唔係嘅，其實我覺得露營第一餐方便，杯麵都可以接受。即係上山應該盡量唔好留低任何痕跡嘛，而家係。
咁但係會帶走㗎嘛，搭上唔係揼喺山上。所以呢個咪個 case。Let's shoot some shit.
Next up was the most important part of the trip, capturing first light at the break of dawn on top of the Pyramid Hill.
Can't have everything.
嗰度啲雲唔可以好似呢度啲雲。
你個人真係好貪心。
And after all the effort of downloading the DJI app on my phone, making sure it was somewhat charged, and cutting ourselves off from the outside world for 12 hours, we finally get to fly our drone, and it really paid off. Soon enough, we're into the final stretch of this trip, which is making our way onto the top of Ma On Shan. And it had been quite a ride. I couldn't thank David enough for bringing me to this insanely beautiful place. Because if it wasn't for him, I would have never been there in a million years. So go like this video, comment, and subscribe if you want to know what we'll be up to next. And until then, See ya.